All right, Phantom 3 in the air. We're going to go fly the crane today, except the crane is gone. Point it down a little bit towards us here, sitting here relaxing. Just having a good old time. Turning video on in 3, 2, 1. I said, turning video on in 3, 2, 1. Let's try that again. No signal. I'm sitting here with no signal.
You're getting no signal?
Try step away. Now it's back again. Hold on. All right, we'll try this again. Turning on the video in 3, 2, 1.
Is that better?
Seems to be better. Had a lost signal issue. Let's stay away. Don't get too close. All right, so let's. Noisy ass thing. So what I'm doing here, this is going to be an update to the construction fly that I did a while back on the flying the crane. About a week ago they removed the crane. The building is under construction and doing well. I'm 159 feet, 19 miles an hour, approaching the construction area. Pulling up alongside here. There it is. It looks like a hotel to me. Pretty sure it's what it is. A lot of hotels in the area here. So that was a thing. This one has been under construction. They put the crane up there. This is just an update. This is now early in April. I wanted to get more crane footage. Wasn't really able to do that. Just doing a little manual. Little manual orbit here. This is not on the point of interest. This is just me sticking it. Enjoy all the construction stuff, watching things being built, because I have no talent for such things. Yeah, there it is. Yep, the crane, which is not there anymore. Crane is no longer there. They took it down with an even bigger crane. Portable crane, of course. Coming back there, I see her. She's looking good up there.
Up behind you, 100 feet.
Okay.
High.
Coming in now. It was a good little circle there. across each other's path here. Rich is flying above. I'm flying above. And here we are. Yes, indeed. What? You gonna land? I'll get out of the way. Sweet, look at that landing. Nice job, Rich. Phantom 2. Hold on, keep it there. We'll take a quick aerial look at the Phantom 2. Hold on, Rich. Rich, wait. So he has dressed it up with this fancy yeah, look at that. So close, we're moving the props. But yeah, he dressed it up with this fancy, cool shell cover on it. Looks pretty cool. What?
It says, warning, aircraft batteries 24%.
%30 on the battery. Okay. Come on in. So just an easy fly today. Just wanted to check out that construction a little closer. Look at that. Ain't you cool? Come over here, you. The wind is definitely blowing you around today. Alright, there she is. Phantom 3 advanced. Looking good. Go land. Sweet. There it is. On the deck safe. That's what we like to see. All right, nice job, Phantom.